How does a towering tree, a vibrant flower, or a juicy bean begin? It all starts here, a tiny, seemingly lifeless seed. But don't let its humble appearance fool you. Inside every seed lies a perfectly packaged powerhouse of potential, waiting for its moment to awaken. Today, we're diving into that moment, germination. So, what exactly is germination? It's the process by which a seed sprouts and begins to grow into a new plant. Think of it as a seed's birth. But a seed isn't just a shell, it's a miniature survival kit. It has a seed coat, which is its protective outer layer. Inside, there's a tiny embryo. That's the baby plant, complete with tiny root and shoot structures, and crucial cotyledons or endosperm. These are the seed's lunchbox, packed with stored food. But this amazing journey won't begin until the seed gets the right invitation from its environment. For germination to happen, a seed needs three critical things. Water. This is the most important trigger. Water softens the tough seed coat, allowing it to swell. More importantly, it activates enzymes inside the seed that break down the stored food into usable energy. Warmth, temperature. Every seed has an optimal temperature range. Too cold and the enzymes won't activate. Too hot and they can be damaged. Room temperature is usually perfect for many common seeds, like our beans that you will see shortly. Oxygen. Just like us, the tiny embryo inside the seed needs oxygen to breathe, to perform cellular respiration and release energy from its stored food to power its growth. This entire process, from that dry, dormant seed to a thriving young seedling making its own food, is the wonder of germination. It's a testament to the incredible design and resilience found in nature. Now we pass it on to Bernice for a hands-on demonstration that you can try at home.
Hey everyone, my name is Bernice and I'm so excited to join you here on Maker Minds. Today we are exploring something simple but truly magical, how a tiny seed turns into a plant. By the end of this video, you will see that STEM isn't just in classrooms, it's in the little things happening around us every single day. Here is what we need: some bean seeds here, a jar which could be plastic or glass, cotton wool, and a little water. So that's just it. So you first place the beans inside the jar, resting them on the cotton wool. Then we'll add just a little bit of water, not too much, just enough to keep the cotton moist. If your jar has a lid like mine, you make a few holes in it so the beans can get some air. And guess what? We don't even need soil yet. So let's get into the experiment. So as you can see, I have my cotton wool already placed in my plastic jar, and then the bean seeds resting gently on the cotton wool. So I'll just add some water, not too much, but just enough to keep the cotton wool moist. And then we wait. Over the next few days, your bean seeds will start to change. Keep them I'll keep mine somewhere bright and slightly warm, and make sure the cotton stays moist. So I'll be checking my jar every day to see what's new. So our bean seeds have been left in a very warm place where it can get some amount of air, and then it already has moisture, which is one of the factors that influence germination. So within the next 3 to 7 days, we are going to see some changes in there. And we know that germination is influenced by several factors such as water, temperature, light, oxygen, the seed quality, and soil conditions. But in our case, we are not using any soil here, so we take out the soil conditions. So we make sure that the seeds get enough moisture from the cotton wool. So we can be adding some drops of water every day. And then the optimal temperature ranges vary by species, and then you get some light. Seeds need oxygen for metabolic processes. That's why we have the holes there, the tiny holes, so it can get some amount of oxygen. And then the seed quality too. Yeah. So we come back within the next 3 to 7 days to check on our seeds. So what's happening now is called germination. A seed is like a tiny package full of energy and instructions, kind of like nature's USB drive. Once it gets enough water and air, it starts to wake up. You will first see tiny roots growing down to anchor the seed. These are the roots here. And then a small shoot reaching up toward the sunlight. This is the shoot. Every tree, crop, and flower begins this way from one small, powerful seed. Now it's your turn. You try this at home. You grab a few beans, a jar, and some cotton, and then you watch your seeds grow each day. Take photos or short videos of your progress and share them with us. Let's grow something amazing together. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun experiments. Bye.
Hungry for more? Check out our other videos on this channel.